All right, you're live.
Okay, so here we are again. It's been a while. Hello, everybody. This is Dr. Elahi, and today I'm going to be demonstrating the video thread facelift, which is a non-surgical procedure. So we have our very own Chelsea on the table here today. She's getting that treatment. She had it done like 2 years ago. And Chelsea, so how did it go for you? Like since 2 years, you've had a really nice. You want to say something about it?
It lasted me for 2 years. It kept me looking young. It was painless.
Mm-hmm.
Um, and I'm happy with my results, and I'm here today to do it again.
Yeah, so she was really like bugging me, when are you gonna do mine? I'm like, okay, let's do it today. So today, and she's here, I'm here, we have some time. Also, we are vaccinated, so now I don't have a mask and you can hear me better. So I hope that helps too. So basically, we're doing the video threads, and the threads are absorbable sutures that are mounted on these blunt cannulas. And sometimes what happens is people come in and they say, okay, so we have sagging skin or laxity, or there's all these wrinkles and things like that. So we have treatments that will help you improve the tone and texture, but then there's areas on the face and the jawline area that need special attention. And for that we have the threads, because they will actually target those areas and help in pulling those areas or tightening those areas, or actually producing a non-surgical lift, which is an immediate effect of the threads. So you actually see the results immediately. And so I want you guys to watch the procedure. And Chelsea is here, and she's happy. She's very happy today. And so we're gonna go ahead and start the procedure. So I have already marked her, if you want to see. So she always has had this issue. This is the reason she got the threads in the first place. That was, like he said, 2 years ago. Now it's, aging is not gonna stop. You're still gonna age. So she does do her take care of her skin. She does do good skincare, but the jowls may come back or return. They're not as bad as they were before, but they'll come back, because we're still aging, hormones, sun damage, so many things happen to us. So we're just gonna go ahead and lift them again. It's pretty much like a touch-up or a follow-up procedure. So let's go ahead and start the treatment. And Chelsea, you want to go ahead and move back just a little bit for me? Yeah. Okay, great. Okay. So like I said, these threads are on blunt cannulas, and we go ahead and mark where we want the best lifting. So we mark those areas, and we make a little tiny opening here. It's not a cut, so we don't need to do any what do you call it, like repair, like stitches. Yeah, we don't. Yeah, there you go. We don't need any stitches later on. It heals up in a few days. So let's go ahead and start this. So Tatum, you think you want to come this side?
Sure.
Yeah. So I am under the skin now, and I'm going to slide the cannula in. She has already been cleansed, prepped, and numbed. So you see this cannula is coming to this area, because we want to pick those jowls up. So take a deep breath, Chelsea. I'm pushing it in that area. There you go. So now it's in there, and I'm going to grab that area and pull the cannula back. And when I'm pulling the cannula back, the skin is actually getting anchored over the bob thread. And there you go. So now cannula is out, and here's the thread. So you see this? Can you see this skin? The thread is attached to the skin through the barb. So now there's a lift there. Okay, let's do the second one. Okay. So I'm gonna go problem area that she has. So I'm going to have two threads come together in this area to help get rid of that jowl, pre-jowling. So again, I'm going to hold it and then pull it back. There you go. Already seeing that lift. Such a nice, do you see how nicely this is like pulling up? And we're gonna do, she has a tiny face, so she doesn't really need a lot, and her laxity isn't like really that bad. So we will do one for the jawline. Very good. So get that. Holding on to this area to anchor, and then pulling the cannula. Good. How are you doing, Chelsea?
I'm doing great.
Okay, great. See, so she was pretty comfortable. We did, so look at the difference. Look at how tight. Look at this. And look at this here. You see this? This area right there? And then look at this area right there. How tight and nice it looks. And even all this is pulled up. So this is basically called the non-surgical facelift, or even a lunchtime facelift. So I'm literally, like, it's probably what, 5-6 minutes since I'm on, and I've already done one side. So everybody's going to be a little different. You may need more threads, so it's really needs, everybody needs a pre-assessment to see, you know, if threads are the treatment that you need and you will benefit from, and also how many threads you're going to be needing. So basically, but it's really a nice treatment. If you need that immediate result, then threads is the way to go. But yes, you do also get long-term benefits because the threads are absorbable. They will get absorbed. They will make collagen in the next 4 or 5 months, and those collagen bands are gonna, elastin bands are gonna keep you tight. So the results, you know, can last anywhere from 12 to 15 months. And if you also take good care of your skin, you can just literally look nice and tight. So, so we're gonna do the other side of her face now, and she is doing fantastic.
Trying to get at that angle.
You can pretty much call it take a deep breath. Okay, when I push, I usually tell you to take a deep breath, so it does help a little to relax that area and for me to help to get this pulled up. Okay. Threads can be used as a standalone treatment, or we can use it as in combination with a lot of other treatments. For example, we can combine these with fillers. Chelsea, you okay?
Mm-hmm.
Take a deep breath. Okay, I'm pushing. There you go. Got it. So in combination, like with fillers and with Botox. So everything that I mentioned has its own benefit. Whereas threads lift, fillers will help with volume replacement. Botox will help with expression lines. Nice. All right. Last one, Chelsea. Okay. And you can literally walk out of the office without having, like, anybody noticing, except they're going to notice that you're looking really good. So they won't know how. And if you want to tell them or you don't want to tell them, it's all up to you. You want to tell them, that's fine too. Not, that's fine too. But it's really a treatment that has no downtime. Nice. Okay, so this is how she looks now. Wow, this is amazing. That looks great. So these threads will be cut off. So obviously, the threads that are when we cut these off, they'll be flush with the skin, and the threads are going to be inside. They're doing the job. They have lifted. They'll make collagen, and nobody will know. He's going to reap the benefits and enjoy the results. And so here we are. If you're interested in thread lift for your face, do not dread, because it's a really good treatment. It's an easy treatment. It can be pretty much pain-free. You can do it at your lunchtime, and if you are also wanting structural, tightening and things on your face or your jawline area, it's the best treatment to do. And also, you don't have to worry about any side effects. They're extremely, extremely rare. So great. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope you call us about this amazing thread lifting treatment. Thank you so much.